hearing out with the old and in with the new, bitch. Motherfucker, I got some new makeup. Y'all, as some of y'all may know, I just started my new cosmetology school at Paul Mitchell, Atlanta. And that $2,000 kit was not fucking playing, okay? And one thing about Mira B, we not wasting no money. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna transition it to our new stuff, because out with the old and in with the new. You know what I'm talking about. I don't care if every time I do my makeup, I gotta pull out this motherfucker just in case. You know what I mean? Okay, so a few things came in this one kit, because this is the makeup kit. We got our eyeshadows, brushes. You see why I'm going to school, because I don't even know. Some of these, I don't even know the word for these brushes. So we got our brushes, our eyeshadow brushes, our powdered brushes. We've got 2 lip pencils that come with duos on each side. Then we have our 1 lip liner. I don't know which one is lip liner. I use them all for everything. They might go on my eyebrows. I don't know. We got a whole bunch of eyeshadow palettes. We got skin cream palette, skin powder palette, ultimate color palette, color wheel shadow palette right here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go subscribe to my hair channel. That's where you guys can see all the vlogs. It came with a pencil sharpener, collage of more brushes here. I've already taken out 2 of them. I know which ones I took out. I took out my foundation brush and I took out my concealer brush. So yeah, but today we're gonna be doing our makeup based on all the skills that I know right now, and then I'll probably duet this when they teach us. Okay, first I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Blemish Control Primer. This was not included in the kit, so don't look for it. Oh, and my classmate had threaded my eyebrows yesterday, so they look so super good. They're still a little bit sore at the bottom part. If you know, if you get your eyebrows threaded, they're a little bit, painful, but not as painful when you get them tweezed. Next, I'm going in with my Milani Precision Brown. I got this from Walmart, so don't look for it in the kit either. And we don't want to go too heavy on the brown, because I just got them done. So they're going to look really super clean. See, like the difference between this one and this one? Yeah, let me go do that one. Okay, so now I'm looking in the kit, and I don't really know which ones I should do for my concealer, because there's so many to choose from. But so far, I've got this one and this one, which are 28 and 22 if you guys are using the kit. Here's what they look like closer up. But it'd be perfect for my brows, so we're going to use it. So I'm not sure if professionally we're supposed to be doing concealer or foundation under our brows, but I think we're gonna put in some concealer. e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I'm gonna be going in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer Satin Finish. I'm gonna put a little bit just right here on the tip of the brush and press. I need to go watch Beats by Deb, don't I? Press, go straight across. I think we're supposed to do concealer on the bottom and then foundation on the top. Let me give y'all some more forehead so y'all can see for real. I'm going with my foundation, which is NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Cinnamon. I'm gonna put some right here, here. Our 22 brush, top of our brows. So do you guys think this is our foundation brush or this is our foundation brush? Giving kombucha, or is it giving eyeshadow brush? Okay, this brush is number 28 in the kit. It's actually blending. It's such a soft, smooth blend. Yeah, I like it. It's not a harsh brush. I wouldn't say it's a foundation brush. This one is pretty much harsh. This one is our, what? Ooh, 54. This one is our 54. You see how it's giving foundation? It's like, it's harsh. Yeah. This is our foundation brush, hands down. By the way, these are the two brushes that I used to use by Ruby Kiss. This one's not by Ruby Kiss, never mind. But yeah, this is the flat Kambuki, not Kumbuka, but Kambuki brush. And then this one is our cornered or angled Kambuki brush. Like, you could tell it's Kambuki because it's like, it's thick. It just gives that, I'm applying something harsh. I need it to stay. I need it to blend. I need it to be slayed all the way, okay? And then this is our new foundation brush, our professional foundation brush. I also used to use this one. It's very old. It's very stiff. Yeah. So we're going to go back in with our concealer. Couple dots. Couple dots. Okay, I'm going to hit it with number 15. If you guys are using you guys' kit. Angle it nicely. You see how it's just giving a round, clean blend. Not too much, not like too down, trying to mess up our foundation. We're giving a bright under eye down here and no wrinkles under the eyes. I just found out it Ben said the name of these things on the back. So yeah, this is our skin cream palette. This is our skin cream palette. I guess this is our supposed to be our foundation. This is our lip palette, lip combo. This is our skin powder palette. Skin powder palette. Not really sure what the difference is, but we'll figure it out.